traitors, God save the King! Yeah! It's a bit better.
It is great out. It's probably just under 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunny. And we're gonna go to the River Thames. We're heading off now to go see the Tower of London. Unashamedly, it's almost 2 o'clock. Realistically, what we're realizing is that traveling every day, going to see new sights and tours and walking around for hours on end, every single day gets to be a bit tiring. So with Kristen still not feeling the best and
as per usual,
still some jet lag and being tired, and the fact that we've been to London before, we just took today a little easier again. Watched a few episodes of The Office and just enjoyed it, did a little bit of planning and editing. But now we're out and about for the Tower of London and catching dinner with some friends that we met on Peru earlier this trip. So
it's really cool that we get to connect with them again.
Yeah. So the Tower of London is another one of those sites that, even though Kristen, you did it, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so Kristen did it and I did it back 10, 11 years ago or so, but it's just, there's just so much history here that it's so cool to be back here. This time we're doing a tour. We just decided that 20 seconds ago, and so I'm excited to see what kind of new stuff we can learn.
Are we ready? Yeah! Good. Hi, old traitors, God save the King! Yeah! It's a bit better.
Nailed it. It's continued to be a great day. Admittedly, we haven't really done as much talking about what we've been seeing and learning, but it's been great. There were a few places inside that we weren't allowed to bring the camera or use it, like the jewels. But it's just so cool to be around all the history and to check it out. Not to mention we're also getting hungry and we're getting dinner with the friends that we met from Peru in about an hour. So hopefully that comes soon. We're going into the building where they show all the imprisonment and I guess means of torture. It's a bit eerie to see all of the either images, texts, or glyphs carved into the walls where the prisoners were. And some are really sad too. Obviously, when they're meeting their doom pretty soon, either in there or with the chopping block. But on a happier note, I think we're done here and we're gonna go get dinner. That is one huge ship. Take a look.
Ow. Look at that.
We got dinner with our friends Dave and Sue.
Ah, they're so great.
It was awesome. So good to catch up with
We were there
them.
for almost 3 hours.
Yeah, and just reminiscing about our travels from when we met them in Peru and then what they've done, what we've done. It was great, and they were just very kind to us. So
Yes.
I just wanted to say thank you.
Thank you so much. Y'all are great.
Here it is, Tower Bridge.
That's not the tower.
It's not Tower Bridge, it's London. London.